Hello my dear children, I'm Banti Hajorika. Welcome to my new channel Learning Mathematics from Zero. My main motive is to share my knowledge with you, and I hope definitely you will like it and you can enjoy it also. So basically, first I will start my teaching from class 7 NCERT based mathematics. The name of the chapter is Exponents and Powers. Let's start. Okay. So, before going to discuss about or before going to start the chapter, we have to know why we are teaching this, why we are studying this chapter. Okay, with the help of this chapter we can read the large number in a short way. Okay, so in lower classes you were getting that when a number is repeatedly adding, when a number is repeatedly we are adding, then we can write this number like that. Now see why we can write. 2 is how many times? 4 times added. And we know that multiplication is the shortest form of addition. So in a shortcut way we can get the answer 8. Okay, it will save the time also. Yes. So same way, if we are multiplying a number repeatedly, if we are multiplying a number, okay, see here 3 is how many times? 5 times. So it can be written as 3. It is read as 3 to the power 5. That means we have written 3 here. It indicates what is the number we are repeatedly multiplying. That number will come. We have to write in down, and how many times we are multiplying, that number will come in up. Okay. So both the number, both the number 3 and 5, they have different name. Okay. So this 3 is called as base. That means whatever number we are repeatedly multiplying, that is called what? Base. And how many times we are multiplying, that is called, because that one we have to write in upward, so it is called power. Okay. Sometimes it is called exponent, and sometimes it is called as index. Okay. Next, you have to know one thing, that how we can read is. So it is read as 3 to the power 3 to the power 5. Okay, it is read as 3 to the power 5. Again, see, this is one expression, is it? This is one expression. The whole expression has another name. Is called exponential. Exponential. You can say notation. sometimes you can say expression. Okay, so this is the basic concept. Okay, when a number is repeatedly multiplying, we can write in the form of exponential notation. I think up to here all of you understand clearly. Okay, okay children, you just pause the video and note it down. Okay, next come to the second topic. Okay, so here we will study some properties of powers and exponent. Okay, now see here, when we are multiplying 3 in 5 times, we have written 3 to the power 5. And suppose one example is given 2. And if it is said that express 2 in the form of exponent. So, in the form of exponent, how we can write? It is 2 to the power 1. That means how many 2 are here? Only 1. That is why 2 to the power 1. That means 2 is multiplied only 1 times. Understood? This is very important. Suppose in some place, if power is not written, then also you have to know that the power is 1. Okay, sometimes if the power is 1, then it is not mentioned. Understood? Okay. Next, come to another point. Suppose negative to the power odd, then we will get always negative. Come to the example. Example, suppose minus 2 to the power 3. Okay, that means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. See, already in integer chapter we are getting that when a negative number is multiplied odd times, we will get the answer in negative. Same way, or if we will say like that, negative into negative, what? Positive. Again, positive into negative, negative. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what answer we will get? Minus 8. So when a negative number where the power is odd, then always we will get the negative answer. Next, when negative to the power even, then we will get positive. And one more thing, I have written here minus VE. In shortcut, we can write negative as minus VE and positive as plus VE. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay, so for this example, we will take another example. Minus 3 to the power 4. So that means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, see here, negative into negative, positive. That means after multiplying first two terms, we will get positive, and third and fourth, after multiplying, we will get again positive. So overall, you will get the answer in positive or not? Yes. And in integer chapter also you were getting that when a negative number is multiplied even times, then you will get what? Positive number. So 3 3s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3, 81, which is positive. Okay. Now come to the another property, very interesting. That is, see, already we know that negative power odd is negative. Okay, from that concept we will get here minus. But 1, why 1 is 1? Because if we will multiply 1 in many times, suppose 2 times, then also we will get 1. If 3 times, then also we will get 1. If 1000 times, then also we will get 1. But the concept will come from here. Okay, so example, minus 1 whole to the power 51. So without calculation you can write minus 1. But some student, they did the mistake where minus 1 power 51 they have written, but after calculation sometimes they write minus 51. They are multiplying these two numbers, but don't do that. Okay, power means minus 1 is multiplied 51 times. Understood? It should be clear. Okay, next, minus 1 whole to the power even equal to plus 1. Okay, so example, minus 1 whole to the power, whatever number in the power it has given, if it is even, suppose 2048, it is even number, so you will get definitely it is 1. Okay, I think up to here all of you understood. It's clear. Okay, suppose you not understood, then you just write down in the comment. Okay, next we will discuss some example. Okay, then I think it will more clear. Okay, so first question, it is given that write the base and power of the following. Okay, already we have discussed that what is power, what is exponent. Power and exponent same. Sometimes if it is given that write the exponent of this expression, then don't confuse it. Power, exponent, index are same. Okay, so now come to the first question. Okay, so here in the first question, which number is downward? Minus 68. So this will be the base, and in upward 2. Okay, I forgot to say one more thing. When you will write an exponential expression, suppose 2 to the power 4, distinctly you have to write. Don't do the mistake. Sometimes some students, they write like that. Sometimes it is 24, it looks like 24 only. Okay, don't do the mistake. 2 distinctly you write here, base, and power you write it here. Okay, I think it is clear. Next, so we are discussing that we have to write what is base and what is power. So here minus 68 is base and 2 is power. Okay, now in the next question, say here it is written 2 into 2, but here it is given bracket. That means within the bracket whatever number is multiplying or adding or whatever, so the whole expression is a base. That means in question number B, 2 into 2, that means 4. 4 is base and 5 is power. Understood, children? Power. Okay. Next question. Write the following in exponential form. Okay. Exponential form. That means something to the power something, like that we have to write. So say here two numbers are there. One is 5 and another is 7. Okay. So 5 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. So we can write, we'll write little bit down, 5 to the power 4. In between here, what is the symbol? Multiplication. And how many 7? 3. 7 to the power 3. Okay. That is the exponential form. Okay. So in the next question, see, every term is a variable. So here A, B and C, 3 variables are there and all are multiplying. Okay. So A is how many times? 3 times into. B is 2 times and C is also 3 times. Okay. So this is the exponential expression. Understood? Okay. Next, come to the next topic. What is given? Express the following in exponential notation. Now see, this expression you have to write in exponential notation. To write in exponential notation, first of all, the given number you have to first do the factorization, and if you will do the prime factorization, then it will be good. Okay, so you have to do the prime factorization. Now the calculation part I will do it here, or we can do here also, no problem. Okay, now see, 2401. So first of all, we have to know the divisibility rules. Then it will help you to do the calculation do first. Okay, because see, this number is given. So how you will know that by which number we can divide this? It is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is not 0 and 2. Okay, it is not divisible by 3 because the sum of the digit is not divisible by 3. That means if it is not divisible by 2 and 3, definitely it is not divisible by 6. Next, it is not divisible by 5 because the last digit is not 0 and 5. Let's start with 7. Okay, so we will divide by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21. Again, 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49. Now see, how many 7s are multiplying here? 2401. 1 2 3 4. Have you seen? 1 2 3 4. 4 7s are multiplying. So we can write 7 to the power 4. So this is the exponential form. Okay. Now say in question number B, here it is given -343. Okay. But to do the factorization, you no need to write negative symbol. Okay. You just factorize only 343. Okay. Now for us it is very easy because in question number A, 343 is here. So from here we can write what? 3 to the power, 7 to the power what? 3. But now see, In the question, here the answer is what? Negative. Okay. And we know that negative power odd always give us what? Negative number. Now say answer is negative. Answer is negative. So the base would be what? Negative. So minus 7 whole to the power 3. Understood? Same as question number A, but only here negative. Suppose here positive is given, so then that time we no need to write negative. Okay, fine. Next, come to the next question. Find the value of the following. Okay, already in here we have discussed that negative power odd is negative, negative power even is positive. Negative power minus 1 power odd is minus 1, minus 1 power even is plus 1. That one we have to remember, okay, to solve this question. Now see, here minus 1 power 50, by mistakenly it is right like degree. Okay, it should be 50. 50 is what number? Even number. So minus 1 power even, it will give us positive. Yes. Again here minus 5 to the power 4. So it will give us positive. Yes, positive value. But 5 to the power 4, find the value it is given. So we have to multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. 25 25s are 625. Okay, it is 625. Understood? So next, children, you just pause the video and write down first. Before going to write, you just try to understand. After that only you have to write. Okay. Next, what is given? Express 256 as a power of 2. That means here distinctly it is mentioned. That means this is expressed in as a power of 2. That means 2 should be base, or this number we have to divide by 2 only. Only 2. Now see. Now see. 256. We have to divide 256 by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now see, how many 2s are here? We have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 2, 8. So 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8. Yes, 2 to the power 8. Understood? Okay, in exercise also I will discuss everything. Just now I am giving the concept. From here you just try to clear your concept. Okay. Next, it is identify the, sorry, it is written wrong, greater, G-R-E-A, correct only, sorry, greater number. Okay, greater number. Now here there is no another way. We have to do the calculation only. Okay. Now see, here 100 to the power 3. What is given? 100 to the power 3. That means 100 into 100 into 100. So after 1, how many 0 will come? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0 will come. Okay. Now see, 3 to the power 100. Okay. Here it is given 3 to the power 100. So 3 to the power 100 means 3 is multiplied how many times? 100 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. If we are multiplying 3 first, 13 times. Okay. So out of 100, if 13 times we are multiplying, then how many times left? That means 100 minus 13, it will be 87. It will be 87 times. Okay. So see, next part I am writing here only. Okay. Here no space, because of this less space I am writing here. So 3, when we will multiply 3 in 13 times, then we will get 1594323. Okay. And how many times left? 87 times left. Okay. Now look at here. After multiplying 103 times, what answer we are getting? 10 lakhs. But when we are multiplying 3 in 13 times, what answer we are getting? 15 lakhs 94,323. That means only doing 13 times we are getting 15,000 something. And here we are getting, sorry, 15 lakhs, and here we are getting 10 lakhs, which is already greater. This term is already what? This term is already greater. That means what? So we can conclude that 3 to the power 100 is greater than 100 to the power 3. Again I am explaining. Look at here. See, 100 to the power 3, it gives us 10 lakhs. Okay. And when you will do 3 to the power 100, okay. So for doing 3 to the power 100, we are dividing 3 in two parts. 13 3 we are multiplying, and another 87 3 we are multiplying. So because the calculation is too vast, so that is why first we are multiplying 13 3. So after that we are getting what? 15 lakhs 94,323, which is greater than 10 lakhs. But we have to multiply again 87 3. That means definitely after multiplying with this another 87 3, we are getting two large number, which is greater than 10 lakhs. Okay. So from here only we can write 3 to the power 100 is greater than 100 to the power 3. Okay. When you will concentrate the video, clearly you can understand. Okay. After that you just write it down. Okay. Next, sorry, express 3600 as a product of powers of prime factors. Okay. So this 3600 we have to express as a product of powers of prime factors. That means we have to, it is same as the question number 5 and 3. Okay, same. Now express this as a product of powers of prime factors. Now say 3600 we have to divide. That means we have to do the prime factorization. So first, if we will divide by 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10, 0. Again it will divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20. Next 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Wait. 2 threes are 6. 2 6 are 12. And 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 3600. First we will write 2. Okay. How many 2 are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2. That means 2 to the power 4. Okay. Next, how many 3 are here? 2. So 3 to the power 2. Next, how many 5 are here? 2. So 5 to the power 2. So this is the product of powers of prime factorization. Okay. But here all the numbers are what? Same. But here the prime number, different prime numbers are there. Okay. Next question is simplify the following. Okay. It is 3 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 2. So simplify means you have to find out the value only, no other way. Okay. So 3 to the power 5, that means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times. So 5 is how many times? 2 times. Okay. Now see, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, threes are 81, 81 threes are 243. 243 into 5 fives are 25. So after multiplying these two, you will get the answer 6075. Okay. To solve this one or to simplify this one, no another way. Okay. Next, say here negative base is in negative. Okay. Minus 2 to the power 4. So simply if we are multiply minus negative to the power even, it will give us what? Positive. So 2 to the power 4, or you can write, better you write like that, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Again minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Now see, after multiplying this, what we will get? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. Okay. 8 twos are what? 16. Why it is positive? Because the power is even. Okay. Into, see, Negative power, odd. That means answer will come in negative. So how many times? It is 3 times. So 10 into 10 into 10, it will be what? 1000. So what answer we will get? Minus 16,000. Okay? Minus 16,000. Next question. Evaluate the following. Okay? Evaluate the following. Now see, minus 25 is multiplying how many times? 2 times. 25 into 25. Again, minus 1 is how many times? 31. That means minus 1 power odd. So it will give us minus 1. Okay. So 25 25s are 625 into minus 1. Always remember one thing, that when you are writing a negative number, that means when a negative number is multiplied, then always that negative number you have to write within the bracket. Okay, then it will be distinct. There is no chance to do the mistake. Okay, so it will give us minus 625. This is the answer. Okay, next here, what is given? Minus 5 to the power 6. That means minus 5 is multiplied how many times? 6. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So like that, how many times? 4, 5, 6 times. And divided by minus 5. Yes. So this minus 5 and this minus 5 will be cancelled out. So what will be the remaining? Minus 5 to the power what? 5. Since negative power odd is what? Negative power odd is negative. It will give us negative. And 5 to the power 5, it is 3125. Understood? It is minus 3125. Okay. One concept I forgot to say. See, I am writing here only. Minus 2 to the power 6, minus 2 to the power 3 and minus 2 whole to the power 3. It has different meaning. That means, see, here minus 2 is multiplying how many times? 3 times. So it will give us negative 8. Here also it is give us negative answer, but here negative is, here no bracket is there. So minus, first you have to write minus symbol here. Then 2 to the power 3. 2 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. It will also give us minus 8. But suppose if we are writing minus 2 to the power 4 and minus 2 whole to the power 4. Okay. So here minus symbol is, here there is no bracket. So first you write minus. And 2 to the power 4 means 2 is multiplying 4 times. So 2 to the power 4 means 16. But here minus 2 is multiplied 4 times. So negative power even is what? Positive. And 2 to the power 4 is 16. See, both are different answer. Here minus 6 and here 16 plus 16. Okay, both are different. Don't mix it up. Okay. Okay, next means this is the last for today's class. These 2 questions are left only. Okay, which is greater, 3.6 10 to the power 2 and 2.98 into 10 to the power 5. Okay. So first we will write 3.6 into 10 to the power 2. So see, here it is, how many point is before how many digit? Before 1 digit. Suppose with here, if we will multiply, if we will do like that, 3.6 into 10 into 10. So the meaning is 10 to the power 2 or not? Same meaning. Just we are writing 10 to the power 2 as a 10 into 10. Why we have written that one? You will know. See, 3.6 is into 10. It will give us 36. Point will be removed into 10 to the power 1. Okay. And the another number 2.98. Just we are removing the point first into 10 to the power 5. Now see, to removing this point, we have to multiply 2.98 into what? 100. Because in 100, 20. And here also, after the point, how many digit? 2 digit. Understood? So, if we will write like that, 2.98 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 3. See, why we have written like that? Total how many? 10. 5. 2 I have written here and another 3 I have written here. Ultimately, 5 tens are multiplying. But separately we are writing because our motive is to removing the point. So after solving this, we will get 298 into what? 10 to the power 3. Is it? Now see. Now you just compare the first two numbers. Here it is 36. Here it is 298. Already this number is greater. Okay. And here how many 10? 1 10. And here how many 10? 3 tens. So definitely which one is greater? This one? Yes. So we can write 3.6 into 10 to the power 2 less than 2.98 into 10 to the power 5. See, here if we will removing the point, so it is easy for us to compare the number, because sometimes some students they are doing the mistake to compare in decimal numbers. Understood? Okay. So today's last question is 5 to the power x is equal to 6 to 5. Okay. Now see, here it is 5 to the power x and 6 to 5. So 625 can we write as a power of 5? Let's see. Yes. So after repeatedly doing the same question, then it is very easy to calculate that what number we have to do, how many times multiply, what number we will get the answer. Okay. So 625 we can write as 5 to the power 4. Now see. See, here 5 to the power x and 5 to the power 4. Between these two exponential expression, what symbol is there? Equal. That means what? Both the exponential expression is same. Same only. If x is equal to 4, already they have given same. That means what? Definitely the value of x is equal to same. So you can write like that. If two exponential notation are same, then base and power are also same. Is it? So definitely base are same only. Then x is equal to 4. It is also same. Understood? Okay. So for today this much only you have to learn. Okay. So in the next class we will start exercise. Okay. We will start exercise. So today you have to go through the whole video. Okay. Then if you like my video, then please do like it, share it with your friends, and it will help your friend also. And please subscribe, and please press the bell icon, that you will get the notification whatever video I will upload. Thank you. Have a nice day.